Hi, my name is Cappuccino, Chi-Chi to my friends, and it's time for another Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Shara is busy crying, so I thought I'd handle this week's video for her. Obviously, I don't know how to work the video camera, but I wanted to meow a thank you to Sunday Dawn and all the other tiny tidiers. Thanks to your encouragement, Shara has made me a new cat bed. I also wanted to let you know I did not deliberately delete all the footage of her dresser tidy. That dangly cord was taunting me. In fact, I'm sure it was all the work of electronic gremlins, just as much as I am certain she didn't mean it when she said, "Silly cat, I didn't clean that off for you." Oh, by the way, Shara would want me to tell you to check out the playlist. And for a few treats, I'll tell you where to find the link. Ha ha ha.